doesn't want to try it.
Okay, we put our happy faces on. Okay. All right, here we are at the Commodores and Coffee.
What's wrong?
Okay, that won't get on YouTube. Okay, you don't have to be in this one.
Do you want a
All right, here we
donut?
are at Commodores and Coffee.
Oh my god, I'm trying to eat my donut.
We made it. We got here in one piece. So Eric, how's it looking? So what you expected?
Yeah, and it still isn't everybody.
Still isn't everybody?
Jules isn't here yet.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Jules. I know. Dang. But mostly G8s.
Yeah, I got some of them coming in. I took some video and some pictures. But I heard all them coming in. I was like, I hope he got that. And then some guy walked by and he's like, I follow this guy on YouTube.
Awesome.
We were in the car.
Let's go check out more cars. Is that Jules?
Those are my buddies.
Big shocker.
better
Ah, there we go.
version of it now.
Oh,
And like I
nice.
said, it comes with different scents. It contains wax blend in there.
Okay.
So it'll actually polish and remove little small fine scratches, nothing major at the same time. And it's has a high UV ray rating, so you can apply it in direct sunlight without getting that swirl and haze that you get when you
Yeah.
polish stuff in the sunlight.
That's a plus.
Yep. I'm gonna send you
I know, man. I'm trying to get as much as I could. What?
He didn't believe me when I said I only make one more horsepower than you.
Well, technically, that day.
That day.
I think you make a lot more, though. I think you're closer to 400 because they didn't pull it in fourth gear.
Come on, man. I make. What you make?
They didn't 377.
I make 378 then.
Yeah, 378. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's this product called? This item?
I'm not sure, man. I bought it off a guy for my Camaro.
Okay.
They sold them at a Camaro meet,
Okay.
and all I did was rig it. Like I just took out the screws and put in snaps.
Okay.
Same thing behind your fender right there.
Nice.
I really don't. I could tell you if I knew, man, but I don't.
Yeah. And
I've got a Camaro,
and drove
and I was
okay.
at-
No temperature issues. Because I see it flows through fine. So.
Yep. I run it like now. I live 6 hours.
Yeah, I know you had quite the road trip. So that's awesome to check out. The Commodores and Coffee meet, and it's super loud as some of the engines rev. Of course, I did the same thing. Thank you again to Eric for organizing. Thank you for the donuts, coffee. Thanks to everybody that showed up. It's like 85 cars or more. It was insane. That was probably the biggest local meet that I can think of. So thanks for watching again. If you like this video, leave a comment below. Tell us what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and support the channel at patreon.com/RedSS. See you guys on the next one.